911 GT3 is something very special, for it is one of the first modern hybrids from Porsche. Back in 1900, Ferdinand Porsche developed the first car ever with a hybrid drive. In 2010, the automobile manufacturer returned to the hybrid motor, this time to develop it for racing. The result was the 911 GT3R Hybrid with a 480 horsepower flat-six rear engine, plus two 81 horsepower electric motors that drive the front wheels. An unusual feature of this system is that it works without a battery. Brake energy is recovered in a flywheel accumulator, which stores it as rotational energy as it accelerates to around 40,000 RPM. When needed, this energy can deliver a boost to the front axle. The car has a longer range and needs fewer stops at the pump. This is a major step toward drive systems of the future. The GT3R Hybrid enjoyed its greatest success with an overall win in its class at the 2011 endurance race on the Nürburgring.